husay din talaga. Husay yung gumanap na nanay niya. What's her name? Theater actress. Yung gumanap na nanay mo, di ba? Jeff Villamil. Really good. Direct audition pa talaga. Ang husay nila. And Pauri on Numaret, she's really good, di ba?
Actually, yung process for the casting of Antol is quite different from usually.
Hindi ka may casting call.
Hindi kami nagpa-casting call kasi dito, medyo specific na yung requirements. So parang ano namin nila Miss Rosaldo, when we were having a meeting, we have a lot of names na pinipilian. Tapos iniisa-isa talaga namin, okay, what about kung ganito na yung, for example, is artista, ilagay natin ito, ganyan. Ano yung magiging bababago, ano yung nag-deliver ng iba. And then I do remember there were times nandito si Direk Manny. Ayan.
Our supervising producer, Manny Valera.
Yes. Si Direk Don is also na para, there are some names na he's suggesting na sabi ko, I do remember there was this one name na parang hindi ko na mention ko sino. Tapos yun, sinuggest niya, tapos sabi ko, sige, Direk kaya ba? Yun. Pero nung nag-shoot na kami, yun. Sobrang perfect.
So hindi ko naman sila sa set lang na meet. Dumaan naman sila sa isang
yes. Nag-ano kami, nag-meet kami nun, and then we did this script reading, and then also at the same time, I've seen yung previous projects nila, parang masala talaga. For me, sila yung the best para dun sa role, and hindi ko siya pinagsisihan after.
Good to hear that. Any word, any reaction from Sarah na Derek speaks highly of you na you landed the role? Sabi sabihin, ang dami daw consider for the role.
I'm very thankful. Maybe Derek is a very incredible director. It was so good to be able to work with him. Experience ko rin yung biglang may stunt double pero ikaw na pala. And for that, yes, and I'm so grateful for that kasi fear ko yung nangyari and I overcame that fear.
Ang ganda rin sana yun ni Jody, hindi mo ito siya. At Jody Santa Maria, perfecto ka.
Thank you po. Ayun, so I'm so grateful. Thank you, Ms. Rosaldo.
Dagdagan ko lang yun. Marami siyang dalawang moment. Hindi siya dapat gagawa. Kasi sa sala na lang namin. Yung mga gano'n, marami siyang dalawang moment. Pero kasi tayo dito, parang nung first time niya kasi gawin, parang sabi ko, uy, nag-work. Ang hirap kasi kapag i-double. Kapag dinouble mo na kasi minsan, hindi makuha yung may mga small gestures and tono na hindi kayang ibigay ng double na mabibigay lang ng mismo ng artist. Diba? So, sabi ko dito madodouble, sige po na natin. Yun. Kahit pagod-pagod na siya nito.
I know, tama.
Na-enjoy ko naman po sobra kasi it really adds to the growth of an artist.
Oo
To be able
naman.
to do these things. Kahit ako na-surpresa ako sa sarili ko. So, ayun, so kung mabitin-bitin ulit ulit. So, experience ulit. Isa pa doon. I can't promise na hindi ako manginginig.
Alright. Lian, any reaction sa what Derek said?
Yeah, syempre, I'm so grateful kay Direk Derek. I mean, this is my second time doing a horror film.
Gusto ko siya, yung beauty niya, oh, pa.
Ano ba?
So, ako lang to yun.
Sige, kita mo na, kanina pa ako natatawa sa Hindi, pero balik tayo sa, ano.
Siya tayo masaya mo.
This is my second time doing a horror film. I remember, bata pa ako noon, nung pinaka-first time ko. I was young lovey po pa. Nung time na yun sa Aswang. Tapos basta yun yung pinaka-first ko. Tapos it's been a while.
Wow.
Yes, younger version. Diba? Hindi na super bata pa ako. Super bata pa ako noon. As in, siguro mga 10, 11. Something like that.
Yan pang role ni Joy.
Baka hindi rin niya ako nakilala doon kasi as in binuhusan ako ng prosthetic na dugo all over my body. So hindi talaga kita masyado yung face ko. Pero anyway, ayun, syempre, kinabahan ako. It's like my first time nung time na ginagawa namin tong Antol. Syempre talagang gusto ko na ibigay yung 200% best ko dito. And it's something na I really asked for din and prayed for na gumawa ng film. And of course, gumawa ng genre na out of my comfort zone really. So, lagi ko sa drama, lagi kontrabida, ganyan. So, gusto ko naman maiba naman. So, ayun nga, nabigyan ako opportunity to do a horror film and super, naalala ko talagang pinag-aralan ko yung script and I was asking Derek kung ano yung mga pwede pang gawin.
Kasi challenge talaga sa horror.
Yes, very challenging talaga ang horror. Talagang, tinetest ko rin mentally, emotionally, talaga, when
Take it
you're
from
doing,
Judy,
yes, when you're doing a
pinabalik
horror
niya yung
film.
genre.
Yes, talagang parang binibigay mo rin talaga yung buong kaluluwa mo and pag gumagawa ka ng horror film. So I'm so grateful dahil nandiyan yung mga co-actors
Thank
ko,
you,
yan, sila
Direk
Miss
Derek.
Jody, ayan, sila Derek for guiding me all throughout this process.
Before I give the microphone, Mars, can you declare, kasi I've been hearing a lot from Mr. Cell in a few days, moments na nakasama ko siya, this is Regal's, one of the biggest horror movies na nagawa nila. And kasi kapabida, how do you feel na the biggest horror collaboration ito ng Regal? Siyempre, alam naman natin ang galing tayo sa mga franchise ng mga Shake, Rattle, and Roll, di ba? Pero ito, binabalik na naman ng Regal where they're really good at, which is the horror genre. Kasi ikaw pa yung nagbida saan, so...
Of course, I just feel so blessed and grateful na na-entrust ng Regal yung project sa akin at saka yung sa akin daw sa mga kasama ko na dito ngayon. Thank you. Nasabi ko naman ito before na it was a dream talaga to work. Kapalit ako na like hello? Ayan.
Yeah,
Okay.
good. Thank you,
So it was really a dream to work with Regal.
Can I share? Sabi mo, Mars, ba't hindi ako pinakuha ng So it's kilig talaga when you got the offer from Regal.
No, kasi, di ba kasi almost every year merong Shake, Rattle, and Roll.
Ayun pala.
Umabot na nga siya sa pang-ilan ba?
Ilan na, Sir Keith?
13 ba? 6 extreme. Yun na nga, di ba?
Ayun pala.
So parang every time, parang, kukunin kaya nila ako. Alam mo, lagi mo, iisipin mo talaga yun eh.
Dream kasi, di
nung
ba?
as a child, I would watch Regal Shocker.
Correct, growing up, di ba?
Diba? Tapos yung mga Shake, Rattle, and Roll na isang favorite ko doon, yung episode nila sa Undin. Yung ganyan, so parang isip ko na, it would be nice, no, kung one day baka maging part ako ng movie ng Regal. But then, it never happened. Nung panahon na yun.
Years ang inintay mo, decades, no?
I waited for 27 years
No
for
way.
this to happen. Yun.
Ang galing.
So, thank you so much, Mr. Sel, Sir Keith, thank you. Maraming salamat sa Regal sa tiwalang ibinigay niyo.
Thanks, Mars, for sharing. Gusto ko lang talaga marinig sa ibang galing, eh. Dahil paalam naman ako kung pwede siya. Okay, few questions.